Alright, buckle the f up because we're about to rip apart the ASUS A15, a laptop that promises you the world but delivers absolutely jack shit. I've left a link to all the products mentioned in this video in the description below, so scroll down and check them out if you're interested. Get your popcorn ready because this ride's gonna be one hell of a mess. Let's get one thing straight, the design of this piece of shit, a goddamn train wreck. ASUS, what the hell were you thinking? This looks like you asked a 5-year-old to design a laptop after they ate a fucking crayon. It's not just bad, it's embarrassing. The finish is cheap, tacky, and looks like it was made with leftover plastic from the bargain bin at Walmart. Now, the keyboard. Oh, sweet Jesus. It feels like typing on a pile of f***ing bricks. It's so goddamn cheap, I'm surprised they didn't throw in a free splinter with every key. It's more like a punishment than a tool. You'll be asking yourself, is this a keyboard, or am I getting trolled by ASUS? And that screen? You'd get a better picture if you stared at a brick wall with your eyes closed. What the f*** is this? It's like watching a movie through a dirty shower door. You'll have to crank the brightness to 100% just to see half of what's on the screen, and even then, it's still a blurry, pixelated mess. Who designed this piece of garbage? Battery life? Oh, f me. This thing dies faster than your hopes and dreams after 20 minutes. If you're lucky, you'll get a couple of hours before it's begging for a charger. Don't expect to do shit without being tethered to an outlet. Performance? This thing's got an i7, but you might as well be running Windows 95 on a dial-up connection. It's so slow. It's like it's deliberately trying to sabotage your productivity. Shit doesn't load, your games lag, and don't even get me started on the frustration. It's a goddamn joke. Battery life. Bullshit. If you plan on using this for anything longer than a YouTube video, you're in for a hell of a ride. It'll be dead faster than a drunk at a bachelor party. Bottom line, if you're hoping for a gaming machine, what you've got here is an overpriced, slow as f piece of crap that barely does the bare minimum. If you're dumb enough to buy this, you'll regret it for the rest of your sad, tech-loving life. Now, if you're tired of settling for bullshit and want to buy something that actually works, let me show you the ASUS ROG Strix. This thing will make the A15 look like a sad, malfunctioning toaster oven. First of all, the design. Holy f***. This thing is gorgeous, it's sleek, it's powerful, and it actually looks like it was designed by professionals, not some dude who learned to design by watching YouTube videos. This laptop looks like it'll f*** you up in the best possible way. It's sexy. Cooling? You won't hear a goddamn fan blowing like it's trying to escape a fire. The ROG Strix stays cool, calm, and collected, not overheating the second you fire up a game. It's literally the opposite of the A15. The A15 sounds like it's ready to catch fire just from opening Chrome. Battery life? Oh, thank God, asterisk. You can actually use this thing for more than an hour without worrying about it collapsing like a dying star. You won't have to drag around a goddamn charger 24/7 like a slave. Performance? Holy shit, this thing is a beast. It's faster than your ex after you tell them you're not calling them back. No lag, no waiting, just smooth, effortless performance. This is the kind of laptop you buy if you actually want to get shit done. The A15? It's the kind of laptop you throw away when you realize you've been sold a pile of shit. Bottom line, get the ASUS ROG Strix and stop wasting your life on a fucking lemon like the A15. This is what gaming laptops should be. Fast, sleek, and goddamn powerful. Better product is linked in the description. Stop being a fucking idiot. Don't buy the A15. If you want a real laptop, one that doesn't suck and break your soul, get the ASUS ROG Strix. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Check the description, you'll find the link. Don't waste your money on that piece of crap. Get the goddamn ROG Strix and actually enjoy life. Catch you in the next one, assholes.